Hi, this is Mike Schwartz. I'm the founder CEO of Glue. And for today's topic, I wanted to go over why IDM is overrated. Now, if you found your way to this video, you probably know that IDM, or Identity Management, is a software that is used by organizations to provision users, deprovision users, change users, update passwords, and there's a number of off-the-shelf software platforms that you can use to do this, from major large vendors like Oracle, IBM, and CA, and a number of smaller vendors, for example, Corian or Identity or others. Now, I don't want to minimize the importance of good governance or good IDM processes here. I just want to tell you why I think IDM is overrated. Well, for number one, most IDM projects excel at moving data in and out of the database. And as we know, this is in the core competency of most developers. So actually, using some proprietary workflow tool to manage how you move data in and out of the database can sometimes add more complexity than just going about the task itself. So for many organizations over the years, I'd say they've solved this problem with scripting or using their own business processes to handle the problem without having to go to expensive platforms. I'll also say that a number of IDM platforms, the integrations end up failing. So for one reason or another, they decide that it's actually just not a good idea to undertake it. IDM projects are frequently over scope, meaning that the business users want to try and boil the ocean with the IDM, and the projects probably would have been better off being scoped smaller in the first place. But for that reason, large scope, complexity, proprietary workflow, the fact that using a tool to solve the job is frequently more complicated than just writing your own simple code. I would say that the success of businesses in implementing IDM has been really hit or miss. And so for that reason, I would say that the whole IDM industry is overrated.